Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be featuring these boots, shoes. Pardon me, because it's not just a boot. Shoes that were sent to me by a company called New Bella. I've never heard about this company before until they reached out to me, and I'm so excited to share these collections of their shoes with you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we are all about looking good without breaking the bank. Also, please check in the description box for all the link of the shoes that I'm going to be presenting today. Also, please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Also, if you find this video interesting, please do share it with your friends and family. They might find shoes that they will like on their website as well, or they might find my content interesting and they will want to subscribe in order to support me. The first shoe that I will be presenting right from the box, I call it the crocodile pattern leather. It's patent because it's glossy. You all can see that it's shining. This one comes in two different colors on their website. They have the creamy white, also the black, which is obviously the one I am presenting right now. They have different sizes. They have the sizes in Europe size, which you can also be able to know which one is going to be your US size. So the Europe size is 35 and in US that's size 5, and it goes all the way up to Europe 42. In US that will be size 10.5. The lining material is the PU. That is what they use to line the inside. The outside sole is rubber. The heel height is 10.5 centimeter. The circumference is 36 centimeter. Also, the shaft height is 37 centimeter. I enjoy how I style these particular boots.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The second one that I'll be featuring, like I mentioned, I don't want to keep opening boxes, so I decided to bring them out of their box. This one is called the Shining Rhinestone High Heels. This is embellishment shoe. It is beautiful, it is classy, it is very feminine. I like to use those words. This shoe, you can dress it down, dress it up. I just feel like I love the color that I chose. They have different colors of these shoes on their website. They have it in green, red, black, silver, gray, light gold. The sizes runs from Europe 34, which is equivalent to US size 4, to Europe size 43, which is equivalent to US size 11. Like I mentioned, they have it in different colors. Also, they have a replacement for the bottom of the heel, just in case if it popped out in any form. You never can tell what can happen. They have an extra one inside of the shoe for you to be able to use to replace it back, just in case that happened. And ladies, this is time for you to see how I style this particular shoe. Enjoy. And the last one I will be featuring is called Side Zip Classic Boat. This one, it comes in 3 different colors if I am not wrong. They have it in blue, they have it in black, also beige, which is the one I'm going to be featuring today, which you all are looking at already. And the sizes run from Europe 34.5, which is equivalent to US 5.5, that all through to Europe 41, which is equivalent to US 9.5. All the shoes I featured, my size in Europe is 41, and in US that's 9.5. So I usually wear 9 or 9.5. So they all fitted perfectly. Before I move into the styling of the last one, I just wanted to let you know the sizes fitted very comfortable. I was able to walk in all the heels because they are block heels, you know. Apart from the shoe that the stiletto one, that's the difference between the block heels and the stiletto one. Even the stiletto was so comfortable, very comfortable. I walk around at my house here, up and down, even on the stairway. It was very comfortable. So ladies, let me show you how I style these particular boots. Enjoy. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please subscribe if you haven't before. Please turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Also, please give me like so that you can help my channel to be discovered more by more people, and leave me comments in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.